In this video I show how to remove and install a key cylinder and switch. First thing you want to do is remove the battery cable. After inserting the key, you'll click it to the left once. Then with a paper clip, you'll compress the spring, turn the key to the left, then pull out the switch. Here I show it with a little bit of a close-up view. Click it to the left, take the paper clip, push it to spring, turn left, it should snap right out. Next, you'll remove the gauge cluster. This can be done without removing it, I believe, but if you decide to remove it, here's the location of the 8 interior screws. Disconnect the brake switch wire. Just wanted to take a second to show a better view of what will be happening. You'll have to remove the nut on the back side of the switch. That way you could disconnect the main switch wire. The main plug is usually a pretty tight fit, so it may take a bit to get it out. So this is what it'll look like when you're underneath the dash. Just want to break loose the nut, take it off. Remove the main ignition wire, disconnect the plug, then you'll have to remove the ignition bezel. There is a specialty tool for this, I do not have it, so I just tapped it loose with a piece of wood. After that you should be able to just run it the rest of the way out. When reinstalling the cylinder, you want to line this pin with this groove. It should look like this. So I'll show you how when you turn it, it should snap in like that. Reinstall the bezel. Make sure to snug it up. Reconnect the brake switch wire. Reinstall the gauge cluster. Here you can see the ignition plug only fits in one way. After getting the plug back in, I'll have to reconnect the main ignition wire and reinstall the nut. Here's the under the dash view. Replacing the main ignition wire, reinstalling the nut, tighten it down, so before installing the ignition switch, you want to make sure the slot's in the right angle. Then you're going to want to line up this section with this section of the cylinder. Should look like this. Insert the cylinder, turn it to the right at a click, and you should be able to pull out the key. Reconnect your battery cable, tighten it up, start it up and give it a try. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe and leave a comment.